What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the postcard diva. How's everybody doing out there on this wonderful Wednesday? What's up? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, just a quick update on how to earn daily paid profits. We're still in pre-launch. Okay, there's been a few different challenges, if you will, because this is a new launch, brand new product, brand new program. Everything is new, brand spanking new, from scratch, never seen before, no rehashed anything, brand spanking new. So if you know anything about that, sometimes we have some hiccups and things that needs to be done. Sometimes it just can't be right on time, right? All right, so which is great for you guys, because that means if you're still interested in, and you know what I discovered, this is not for everybody. Everybody is not going to take this opportunity and follow the steps. Everybody's not going to be coachable. Okay, they're not going to be consistent. This is not for everybody. I discovered that. I've been talking to a couple people, and they just do things, you know, I can tell they're not going to follow the system, right? So it is not for everybody. The people that know who it's for, you know who it's for. You will take action. The ones that want to change their situation, all right? This is unheard of. Let me tell you real quick before we get into it. I've been an affiliate marketer a long time, been a digital marketer for a long time. Never seen a program like this, never seen an owner put so much of themselves, 200% of themselves into a program, okay, like this. And you're getting all this. It's just, we've been privileged to see a sneak peek. I've never seen anything like it. You're basically handed 3 products, guys. 3 products, $1,000 value, but it's just so much more than that. From what I've seen, I mean, this is everything you probably would want in a program. Let's say that. Everything that you ever wanted in a program, this is what you're getting. I mean, everything, literally. The marketing system, the sales funnel, and it's free, by the way. The marketing system is free. Normally, when you join a program and you get the sales funnel, you have to pay a monthly fee for that. You're getting that for free. You're getting everything done for you. All you got to do is follow the steps. But this is way, way more than I even anticipated what was going to be provided in this program. Again, everything you could think of that you may say, hey, I wish they had this. Oh, I wish this was a little bit easier. It's here, literally. So this is definitely perfect for a newbie. This is a newbie's dream. And then on top of that, to have a community that's going to help you. You're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. What more can you ask for? So the only thing is missing is you taking action, you being consistent, you being coachable. But from what I've seen, I can't believe we're getting access to all this for $29. And it's just going to be more and more and more added. I made some little quick notes. I had to make some notes of this stuff because this was really, 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 really good. Right here, let's see, where did I make my note? There's going to be, you know, you get a program, right? You buy a program and they may not update anything in that program ever, or a year may go by before you get any new updates. It's the same old, which they work, no issues. But what I'm saying is this program is going to be constantly providing updates to better the system every week. New value is going to be added, in other words, right? Because things change, right? Things change, the market change, and we're going to have a system that's going to change with it. So we're going to always get updates added to the program. Here we go. Here's my notes I couldn't find. New updates weekly that's going to be in the platform. We're going to have, and I thought this was cool, in there, they have a section in the, and I might be able to pull it up, called a tab in there called Content Vault. Now that's exciting. Content Vault, guys. And they're going to constantly be adding info in that vault. You're going to have, this is some just stuff I'm throwing out here. There's going to be a section where you, for people that want to create their own product, right? 200 ideas. And it's very professionally done. That's the other thing. This is just not something that's thrown together, a template. Because you know there's systems where you can just buy a template. You can kind of tell. Like I said, I've been out here for a long time. I can kind of see programs that use the same template. The background is kind of similar. Oh, this is from scratch. Brand spanking new. I keep saying it. Never seen before. Literally. Okay, literally, we're seeing it right before our eyes. This is being done. Okay, that's why it's not ready yet. Think about a template, a copy paste template. They could have been had this together. Just threw some content in it and boom, boom, bam. No, this is from scratch, literally. Okay, so when I tell you this is way more value that you're getting than you could ever dream of. I kid you not. All right. So anyway, I'm excited. Can't wait to come out and talk to you guys about it once we get access to it. So this is giving you more time to get your products, guys. If you want this new system, this new program for $29, all you're paying for is the system, right? You're paying for the website. That's what the $29 is for. You're being gifted the $100 product, the access to it, right? Access to the $100, the $300, the $600 product, guys. Amazing. So let's take a look at how you can get access to it. Then I'm going to show you, some info in regards to the new program. All right, check it out. Go here, though, to get more information, to get started. www.thecopypastemethod.com. Okay, that's where you need to go right now, because as soon as we get the green light, that could be sometime this evening, if you have not purchased, and when the webinar is presented to the world, it's too late. You're not going to be able to get it for $29. You'll be able to get it for the regular price, the $100, $300, or $600, right? But if you want the $29, you need to get it now. So let me show you what you need to do. Check it out. All right. So what you're going to need to do, because we are IPS digital marketers. Okay. We're in the community. I'm already in the community. I'm able to get access to these new products for $29. So in order for you to be able to get access, you need to purchase one of the IPS products. Okay, phone is going nuts. So purchase one of the IPS products. There's 4 products here. Okay, you've got the $50 starter, one-time payment, guys, no monthly fees. Get in where you fit in. The $50 starter is to be $50 plus $39 for your website. The Elite is $150 plus $39 for your website, so you're looking at $189. This is what I would recommend here. Start at least here, okay? But you do what you want to do. Elite, $150 plus $39, $189. The Pro, $300 plus $39, $339. This one is our second most popular product, most selling, okay? This is number 1. This is number 2. All right, so $339 for the 6-figure blueprint. If you want the premium, like I have, I'm all in. $659, you get all 4 products, all 4, and that way, when you get access to the other new products, it has a $600 product in there as well. That way you are even over there. And now you'll be able to also promote the 3 products because you're all in the DGC program. Okay, so $6.59 for everything. Okay, what will happen is once you sign up, you're going to get an email from me adding you. Email number 1 is going to have one link that's going to take you to the members area to get access to one of these products, whichever one you purchase. The second link is going to get you into the community, and you will answer about, I think it's 3 or 4 questions that will get you in the community. I have to give you my link because it's a private community. And once you get in there, you're in. So you'll be notified just like me within the community when it's live for us to actually spend our $29 and get access. Okay, that's how that's going to work. If you're not in the community, you cannot get them for $29. You will be paying the regular price for those 3 products. All right, so let's take a look at those products. Let's see what we got. I'm telling you, this is going to be amazing. All right, let's take a look here. 100% commissions, guys, you're earning. Whether you get the 4 products, all of this is 100% commissions. Okay, even on the new products. So you're going to unlock your digital marketing potential with our exclusive program. These are the products that we're being gifted for $29. This is unheard of. Okay, I've been in this space a long time. Unheard of. Normally it's, hey, you can pay the difference, something of that nature, but you're getting them all 3 of these access to for $29. Now if you're over here and you purchase the $150 from IPS, okay, and you join the community, that's going to be equivalent to your launch pad over here. So if you want to upgrade, all you would do is pay the difference. Okay, that's how that would work. But here are the 3 products. Learn the tricks of the trade straight from your phone without the pressure to sell courses. They sell themselves, so you don't have to do that. And they have the video that's going to explain all this stuff. We don't have to get on the phone and talk to people and convince them and do any of that. Okay, just invite them to your funnel. Mine is www.thecopypastemethod.com. The video explains everything, right? Either they're in or they're out. So here are the 3 products. Launchpad, $100. Okay, and then the passive daily pay blueprint is $300. The digital mastery is $600. Okay, website $29. That's the website. That's the funnel. All free. Your email autoresponder is included. Okay, so here are the 3 products we're gonna get, and then of course the 4th product is going to be called the Legacy Builder. That's the more interactive program that they're adding as well. So it will be 4. But we're talking about these 3 that you're going to get for access for $29. Okay, guys? Because again, once the company launches this, you're going to have to pay the regular price to get them. Why not get all 3 for $29? That's what I'm doing. So I'm just waiting for the green light for them to say, hey, you can now, here's the link, pay your $29, and guess what? I'll have access to these 3. If you want that as well, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Get yours, get signed up today, because this can happen at any point in time. Okay, I'm just waiting for the green light. All right, guys, that's it. Go check this out. You do not want to miss it. This is going to be the hottest thing smoking in the digital marketing space. There is hands down, there's no community like what we've got. Speaking of, let's go over here and check it out. Hang on a second. Check it out. This is what I was talking about. See right here? This is called the Content Vault. It's a lot of great stuff in here. Find video hooks and content creation to create content that convert. That's going to be awesome. Okay. So this is what you're going to see. See all the tabs, TikTok training, everything we've got currently in here. Replay of the Zooms, find your ideal customer. All this you're going to have access to, guys. It's crazy when I tell you. Look, faceless brand, all this, okay, but I'm not going to, they're not added anyway, but this is what you're going to have access to. You got the calendar here. I love this because you can find out what's going on. So for an example here, see, we've got our Zooms schedule, free Zoom on Friday. This is for everybody. We'll be given the email templates. Well, they're already in here. Email templates that you can send to your list of people that you want to invite. And the Zoom is the webinars. When I tell you I've made numerous sales from the free webinars for people, either they're on the live one or they're listening to the recorded one. And all I have to do is share that on my channel. All right. So let's see what we got. Let's see how many folks we got in here now. 12,200 folks in this community. That's crazy. People want to learn digital marketing. This is where you need to be. I'm telling you, this for 2024, this program right here, this is where you want to be. Trust me when I tell you. All right. Okay, so to receive access to those 3 products for $29, you need to go here, get in, pick your program, get in where you fit in, so that I can send you an email to add you to the community. Okay, let's pull this up on the screen once again. All right, so go check this out, get started, get more information, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com, guys. All right, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.